Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I have to say I have a slight hangover. It was a fun stream, but I'm not doing that again for a long time. Not sure if I should watch this today or live Senate. I don't know what's going on with the live Senate. It's a little better. I had a few cups of coffee. So yeah, I just wanted to go over real quick. Yesterday, so the live stream yesterday. So this was a live stream. I just want you to look at the targets here. So right here, I was showing you BNB. Then we continue up this ring, and I said our target was around 355, and also this white line right here. You see, we did push up. We got topped out right here at this point, and it started coming down. We've already crossed this ring, so I think we have some downside for BNB. You can see I was telling you guys pay attention this ring. When we hit it, we could get a pivot. We're above resistance. We could push up. If we open below, we could come down. It did open above. We pushed up. And I told you your target was right here at this white line. You can see this white line right here. This is where we got rejected, first contact. And then I said if we did push up, the point you want to watch was the C1 chart. And these are upper angles, so when you make contact, depends on the price. But you can clearly see what happened. We pushed up. We got almost a perfect rejection here around 44,500, and then came down. We're pushing back up. So I'm going to give you some price targets. I want to show you the published chart. So this is the published chart for BNB, just so you can see how this was published on August 5th. Just want to show you this real quick. So you can see where price was. We did get this wick up to this point right here. That's why I was saying this would likely be resistance. And I said every time you come down and test this blue ring, this would be a point too long. Hit play on that. You can see how that played out. We just moved right up the ring, and now we're crossing it underneath resistance, so that looks like we could have some downside. Obviously, your target below would be $342. Yeah, guys, hit the like button if you can. I'm not drinking for likes, but I do appreciate it. And guys, I don't ask this, but apparently if I want to get more subscribers, I need to. If you want to subscribe, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tick notification bell also. When I have these live streams, you'll get notified. So that was BNB right there. Let's see. This here is the C1 chart. Just want to show you how it played out. This was published on August 5th as well. And take note, this is our resistance right up here. And again, it's an upward angle. Depends on when you make contact. But let me hit play on this. Just so you can see how these play out. We came up and we got a perfect touch here, and then came down. So obviously your next support below is right here, and your next resistance, if we get above this resistance, is up here. And remember, we'll be above the 21-week moving average if we get above this point. That would be very bullish. I'm gonna cover the price targets and actual charts just a sec. Here's the H1 chart, guys. Again, I'm trading the C1 and H1 chart. This is how this one played out. This was a ring we were close to, and I was talking about if we push up. This is that line I said that I was going to get out right here. I have a white line on the actual chart now. We'll hit play. And you can see what happened. We got rejected right here. Pushed up, got resistance. We were briefly under this. We're pushing back up, so I have to watch this resistance above. And this is MATIC. MATIC actually did pretty good. I was a little worried about this chart, but it actually, you notice this fib channel. I added this fib channel line, I think, 2 streams back. I created this chart 3 streams back. I think 1 stream ago I actually created the added this fib channel. Notice when we push up, we got perfect rejection right there. And we're coming up on a pivot ring, by the way. This yellow, this is actually a pivot ring right here. It almost looks like a line. But you can see we pushed up. The next fib channel line, we got rejected, started coming down. So pay attention. This is on the 3 hours. So pay attention in the next, I don't know, I guess 6 to 7 hours. Potentially we cross this ring, we could get a move for MATIC. So guys, real quick, I'm going to give you some price targets. We're going to find out. Again, I'm just going to give you support and resistance levels to pay attention to. Guys, if, by the way, all of you that sent an email yesterday for my drunken discount, I didn't respond to those emails until this morning. I was just too out of it. I needed to get some sleep. So I just passed the hell out. But I did respond to all those emails this morning, guys. So let's see. And I did want to point out one more thing in Discord. Someone, and the reason I'm posting this, because I just want to show you that you need to use other charts as well. Someone had asked right here, a person here asked, he said, we could see, let's see right here. Hold on. Let me go back to this. So this person said we could see wick to 3,000, but I think we're coming down to retest RSI. And I was telling this person to refresh the E1 chart, the Ethereum, the E1 Ethereum chart for next strong resistance above is actually 3,145. And if you look at the actual chart, and I have that chart up as well. So in advance, I was telling people, hey, if Ethereum pushes up, this is where you get out. And this is the actual chart. And I was saying, hey, pay attention. This is our next strong resistance above. And we hit this point and got a perfect rejection and started coming down. So I have that chart up too, so I can give you some price targets. So just wanted to cover that. And again, guys, if you do want to access these charts, the website is aquartcrypto.com. I'm in the process of updating all of the altcoin charts. If you would like to subscribe, this is the subscribe link right here. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you contact me through the contact page. It's basically just my email address, and I will send you information to follow me on Twitter, and I'll send you the Discord invite link. So guys, let me give you some price targets real quick. So look, BNB, we topped out right here. Let me make this bigger so I can see it. So I was saying if we pushed up, potentially $355 would be the point to short. We did come all the way down to $344. But your next, so you're at strong resistance. You've got 2 points of resistance. This is BNB, by the way. Hold on. Move this over so you can see it. So you have resistance above. You have double resistance, right? You have this one and the one I just drew. So your support to watch will be this ring, around $342. If we drop below that point, your next strongest support is going to be around 317. Ethereum, now this, I do have an E3 chart on the 5-minute, but I think if you're trading Ethereum, you want to use the larger time frames. This chart played out perfectly for resistance. If we push up, let me make these bigger here. So look, your current resistance is around $3,150. If we push up, your next resistance will be this line right here. All of these lines will be respected. If we drop, your next support to watch, very, very strong support if you want to re-enter, is around 2,874. Current resistance to pay attention to right now is right at 3,170. And again, all of these will be respected. If you break 2,874 and come down, each one of these lines, you'll possibly catch a bounce, resistance, bounce, and same on the way up. C1 chart. So guys, when I trade Bitcoin, I'm using the C1 and the H1 chart. So if we get above, this target right here, let me make this larger. So your current resistance to watch, and remember guys, if we get above, and I stick with this, if we get above 44,500 and hold support, we are going to be above the 21-week moving average, which is going to be very bullish. If we stay below this and start coming down, obviously then we could still be in a bear market and have much lower targets, and we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But let me give you these resistance levels. So if we do get above the 21-week, the next point to watch, at least to get a possible short entry, would be 46,340. If we come down, your next major support is going to be right here at 41,349. If that breaks, your next major support to watch is right here at 40,000, pretty much. And remember, it's an upward angle, depends when you make contact. But these are just a general idea where your targets are. The H1 chart, let's cover this really quick. And guys, if you did miss last night's live stream, I did get completely shit-faced. So if you want to hear me gradually get drunker and drunker and drunker, just go back and watch that stream. I said if we got 300 likes, I would chug a beer, and I did that. And after that point, yeah, I got hammered. So guys, same thing. This chart here. This is your resistance, major resistance to watch on this chart. This is right here at 44,148. So the resistance levels that you want to watch, pay attention. You're 44,500 and right here at 44,148. Again, if we get above 44,500, I'm going to get very bullish for more upside. And then last live stream, I did tell you guys where our potential peak is in December. So whether we have a drop, if we do drop, I showed you where potentially to buy in. It'll be an orange ring that's around 23,000. Not saying we have to go that low, but if we did drop that low, you know where your target is to buy. That is the E1 chart. Go back, watch the last live stream. I did cover that. My words were slurring, but I think I got them out. And I guess that's pretty much it, guys. And you see we came down. We got a perfect wick right here. So this is a support level we're currently holding at right now at 42,800. And again, that you can see this was the point we pushed above. This is a very strong support and resistance level. So as long as we're above it, we cross this ring, we push up. This is where I got out. And I got out a little early, but I'm fine with that. We'll have to see what happens. If we push up and hold support above 44,500, I'm going to buy back in. In the meantime, I think it's possible we can start heading down. If you'll notice the, look at the MACD. I mean, this is way overextended. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but guys, the MACD on the 2 hour and the 3 hour is way overextended. The RSI is as well. And you can't always use that to know what's going to happen, but if price is this high, you're at strong resistance, not to mention we're at the 21-week moving average, you're overextended on the MACD and the RSI, it is possible you'd have some downside. So that's pretty much it, guys. And let me give you one more support level to watch on the H1 chart right down here. That is around 41,613. And I will keep you guys updated on Twitter and also Discord. And again, if you want to try out the just get access to the Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, Twitter and Discord, guys, this is the link again if you want to sign up, and I'll have it pinned in the first comment as well. So guys, how many of you longed yesterday, or how many of you were in yesterday's live stream? What's up, Lee? Look, for large moves, the DXY, pay attention to it. I did cover that in the previous live stream. If the dollar starts pushing up, I'm talking, 5, 10, 15%, Bitcoin is going to come down, and that's probably an indication that smart money's jumping out of the markets into the dollar. You were shorting? Well, I guess you should have longed because we did push up. You should have shorted when we hit this target here. On the H1 chart, obviously we found support. That's the point of these. So you would short right here. Let me get my arrow tool, if I can find it. Never can find this damn thing. So you should have shorted right here. This is for scalp trading. So you would short here, and then you would have longed here. And then, well, if you would have shorted here, you would have, that would have been a bad short. But we did come up to this point, wick above it, came back down. We did find support here again. And now we're breaking above this resistance right here. So the resistance to watch right now is going to be 44,148. And obviously, this is the line in the sand, whether we're bullish or not. If we get above the C1 chart, 44,537, hold support. Guys, I am super bullish for much, much more upside. Yeah, that was an interesting stream. It was, oh man, I was doing okay until I chugged that beer, and then that was it for me. Well, it's good, Crypto Daniel. No, I wasn't drinking alone. I appreciate that, man. Good to know I had a few others out there drinking with me, because it's not good to drink alone, guys. Always drink with friends, even if it's virtual. So guys, I hope that covers it. I hope you guys did make some money. So I'm gonna kill this stream, and I'm going to get to work on updating the altcoin charts, but I just want to show you how accurate these charts are. They've been playing out pretty well. So again, just remember 44,500, watch that target. We get above, that's bullish. Otherwise, we can start heading down to some lower targets. Guys, I will keep you updated on Twitter and in Discord. That's it. Trade safe, trade smart, don't be stupid, and I'm out, guys. Peace.